In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, click the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a new email window in the bottom right. In the To field, type the recipient's email address. Then enter a title in the subject field. After that, type your message in the main body of the email. Next, go to the bottom of the Compose window and click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. A File Explorer window will open on your computer. Select the file or multiple files you want to upload. After selecting the file, click Open to start the attachment process. You'll see a blue progress bar at the bottom of the email draft while the file uploads. Wait for the progress bar to completely disappear, which indicates that the upload is finished. Once completed, you'll see the file name displayed at the bottom of your email, confirming that it has been successfully attached. You can attach multiple files if needed, but make sure to monitor the total file size. Gmail has attachment size limits, so keeping an eye on file size helps prevent sending errors. If you need to remove an attachment before sending the email, click the X icon located on the right side of the file name. This will instantly remove the file from the draft. Once everything is ready, click the blue Send button at the bottom of the Compose window to send your email. After sending, click on Sent in the left sidebar to verify that your email that was successfully delivered with the attachment included. You can try it now, and that is basically how you attach a file in Gmail. Congratulations!